So unfortunately, last time I hit the pause button, it was not a pause but a stop button, so I need to continue on a second video. So this is the video part 2. But I found a mistake. What was wrong? So first of all, we're going to run our PLS algorithm, and we're going to run bootstrap, and let's go to R squared. I'm just interested. BS all is a kind of not completely correct, but yeah, no, it's not the issue. So we go here and run also bootstrap. Up, long click, bootstrapping, start calculation. And the problem that we have here, as you see, we have a kind of BS all measured 2 times, because we have on the one hand side all items included in BS all, but also sub-constructs that also have the same items. And how to get rid of them, it is a 2-step approach. I started showing in a previous video, but I clicked on the wrong tab. So what we need to go to PLS algorithm and go to latent variables, and this is the table that we need, because what you see here is the aggregated value. This already has been aggregated. Copy to Excel format, then you go and copy paste it here. I already did, which is our variables that we need. We need a kind of to say, okay, I don't want to have it 2 times, I want to have it 1 time. I want to have this aggregated items. Then you copy paste these items and you add them to our main file. So I added them at the end, just copy paste them here. If you did not change anything in the order, they're in the correct order. And you save this file as CSV, save as, and SmartPLS. I call the file latent v, and here you have several CSV files. You need the one with UTF-8, the standard one, because you have also Macintosh and MS-DOS and so on. So you need the first one. You save it as I did here. Then you go to SmartPLS and you add here import data file, and you select this file here. I already did it while I was thinking that I was recording a video and it was a full stop, so I've done it. Then you click on this file, right mouse click, and select active dataset, that you work with this dataset. And if you now go back to your model, you see this is the model that kind of 2 times calculates the weights, and we need to do the following. We need to delete all this stuff. And instead we add these aggregated variables here. They have already been aggregated, so they actually work fine. And if you run the model, it will deliver the same results. The only thing, the R squared will be more precise. For now it is less relevant because this is the dependent variable, but imagine it is the independent variable and you are 2 times explaining the dependent variable, so the R squared may be higher than they actually are. So in this event it is the dependent variable, so we will not notice much. Will be small change, of course, but the effects will be more or less the same. If I run the PLS algorithm, you will see that the effects are more or less the same as we observed before, because what we have here is just a simple aggregation of what we had before. We just already aggregated them, copied them, and used as aggregated value. And this is how you work with the second order constructs. In my model, the one in this paper that I showed you, we had a 3rd order construct. We had the 1st order, 2nd order, and the 3rd order construct. And look at these arrows, they go into different direction. I'm going to explain you in the next video the difference between reflective and formative measures briefly, and show you how you work with them in SmartPLS. See you in the next video.